Nice pass. To the action. He's in control. Played in field. He loves to run with the ball. Surely now. The replay will give us a closer look. Confident pass.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, and you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it though. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They block your vision, but no, you can't listen. That shit is all fiction.
Oh, there's no stopping there. Great story here. A new signing has opened his account for the team. Let's see the build-up which led to the goal.
But you're never gonna.
An expert tackle. At the striker's feet. It's opened up. Elliott with the ball. Will we see a goal? He took his chance. He's scored a brace. Well, good ball control. Some all-round sloppy passing today from his team. Players using his pace. Will it go in? Good pass the keeper. 2 goals on his debut. He's looking so comfortable at his new club. Is this a goal? That's well out by the defence. Well, that's it for the first half then. Defending has been questionable. And words from the manager in the interval, I imagine. Nicely played. Dribbles with the ball. He gambled with that challenge, but won the ball in the box. Pulisic. He can't miss. Won the ball. Good defending. He's shaping to shoot. There's literally no stopping him today. He's got his hat-trick. The referee gets the game back underway. Board is up and new players coming on. The manager is bringing 2 players on. Oh, there's activity on the bench. Likely to see some fresh legs introduced shortly. Back towards the centre. The shot's on. What an opportunity.
Time is barely on our side.
Tackles are flying in at the moment.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
What a chance.
Love is all we'll ever
Just
trust.
found himself offside.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Well intercepted.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Really fluid passing on display.
We'll go.
The assistant manager has suggested a change.
Wastelands through the highways.
Put it back for his team. He's running at the opposition. Well timed then. Great defending.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on.
He put it away.
But mistakes make you strong.
Is this the moment?
Get down for a minute, I want the crown.
Stunning
I'll get it.
save there.
Keep me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night bidding. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. I'm on stage, you're on stage. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team.
Pumped into the danger area.
If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay. I just visit, have no shame.
Put away. And that's his hat-trick. A dream debut from this talented player.
To see if I believe they're looking
A chance to have a better look here.
They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now.
Time for a fresh start. Completely dismantled their opponents in that game. What a fantastic win.
Best of me now, best of me.
What a great performance he's put in. He fully deserves to be named player of the match.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out.